So this is US oil analysis for Monday the 23rd of July. Now let's just have a look at our prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come down towards 68.19, from which we've had a bit of a consolidation. We've had a strong bullish bounce from the 68.19, taking us up towards the 200 period moving average, and as we can see, we've rejected the 200 period moving average. So we'll see whether 68.19 does act as support for another test of a 200 period moving average. If we can break above the 200 period moving average, looking for a move up towards that 69.51, and if we are successful in navigating 69.51, possibly move up towards that 70 before looking for a move up towards that 70.79 here on the US oil. If however we do break down below this 68.19, we're looking for moves down towards that 67.73, 67.12. Previously we've tested on two previous occasions before finding support and seeing moves to the upside, so in around that 67.12. And if we do see volatility bring us beyond the 67.12, the very next levels that we are looking at here to the downside are moves down towards our 66.71, successful break from which we're then looking for price down towards our 65.60 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So we're having a look here at the monthly chart. So here on this monthly chart of the US oil, we've had our lows, we've had slightly higher lows, we've gone on this extended run to the upside. We're having a bit of a sharp pullback here from this $75 a barrel mark. So after posting a rather large candle the previous month, we are seeing a bit of a pullback. Could be just a case of profit taking. We've gone on a bit of an extended run for quite some time, so we've had a bit of a pullback. So we'll see whether we do see that fall through to the downside, but overall it's pretty clear the trend is to the upside here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart, and over on the weekly chart we can see after breaking out of this consolidation in 2017, we've had a very strong move to the upside, very sharp pullbacks, but continued move to the upside. And at present, after interacting with the 400 period moving average here from a weekly time frame perspective, we are seeing another sharp pullback. So it's not unusual to see sharp pullbacks in this trend here to the upside on the US oil. So again, we'll look to see if we do form a bit of a base before retesting our previous major low here on from a weekly time frame perspective. And the lows we're looking at are in around that $64 a barrel mark, where we previously had a pullback. So we'll see if we can post a higher relative low before going on to possibly retest that $75 a barrel mark. And finally on the daily chart, we can see here we've had this very strong move to the upside, went into this consolidation beneath the $75 barrel, didn't have a bull flag break to the upside. What we did instead see was a sharp pullback here on the US oil. We've gone into a bit of a consolidation at present, so we'll see whether we can consolidate and realign with the overall higher time frame trend to the upside, or we will see a deeper retracement here on the US oil. Whether we can, if we can break below the 67.12 just here on the US oil, or whether we'll see this slow methodical move, especially if we do retake the 69.51 here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.